Welcome and thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. Let's get into what I have for you today. Today I want to show you how to use the Cloudflare DNS for your website. And why should you use Cloudflare? It is no longer news that some of the the shared hosting we use today, the DNS configurations and all can be quite slow. Sometimes when you want to quickly make adjustments to the DNS, and then you have to wait for days before everything propagates well. Using Cloudflare can help you reduce that time. And why should you use Cloudflare? Another reason why you might want to use Cloudflare is maybe your customer says, okay, we want to use Microsoft 365 to run our email, and we want to use maybe Bluehost, InterServer, GoDaddy, or some other hosting like that to run our web server. You just head straight to your Cloudflare and make adjustments where necessary. So what are the things you need to do to be able to utilize the Cloudflare? Another thing Cloudflare promises is that it can also help you speed up your website. So what do you need to do? If you don't already have an account with Cloudflare, you need to sign up. If you already have an account, click on login. So your dashboard should open up like this. The next thing you want to do is click on get started. But if you already have, for me, I don't have anything on this account. It's a new account. So just click on get started. They will ask you for the domain name you're trying to point. You enter the domain name, fitnessbot.com. Click on next. It says to confirm plan. For now, I'm good with the free plan. I'm going to choose the free plan. Click on confirm. Here, it's going to ask you to scan the DNS. Click on scan. Now, let me explain something to you about this. If the website, if you just registered a new website, say you just registered a new website, and you registered a new website, a new domain today, and then you pointed the DNS to you've pointed the DNS and all of those, and then you want to bring it to Cloudflare. There's a possibility that Cloudflare may not be able to scan all the DNS record you have on your hosting. So one way to do it, there are two things you can do. Number one is you can wait a while for the newly created domain name to propagate with your hosting server. That might take like days, maybe 3 days or more. Or you can go to the zone record on your hosting and configure all those zone records the same way on your Cloudflare. So that is that. For me, it was able to pick all my DNS because why? The website has been configured for long with the hosting. So you click on continue, and now they will give you a set of name server. Now you need to copy the name server and then go to where your domain name is, your registrar, and paste the name server. So you copy the first one, go to your registrar, paste it on the first name server, go back to your registrar again, copy to Cloudflare, copy the second one, paste it like so, and then you click on the update button. Once you click on the update button, it will take a while for it to propagate. It will take some moments for everything to propagate well. Once that is done, just come here and click on continue. Continue to FitnessBot, and that is it. So it will give you, it will tell you that it is pending. So it is pending and waiting for propagation. When that is done, you will find here under DNS records, yes, like so, you'll be able to find exactly all the DNS record, like you can see now. See here. So just wait a while. Cloudflare will send you an email as soon as it has been approved. So that is how you onboard your website to Cloudflare DNS. And from here, you can change anything you want to change. Anytime you want to change anything, you can just easily come here and change. So that's how you use Cloudflare. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.